Sunshine is everywhere, but solar energy is far from fully exploited. Here at Juno Energy, every day we are committed to new energy project design and equipment supply services to meet the growing demand for green energy. Over past 15 years, we have been dedicated to energy transformation overseas with professional engineering design qualification certificate. In 2023, our new energy project design capacity reached 6 gigawatts with a total installed energy storage capacity of 1 gigawatt-hour. After years of exploration, we offer one-stop integrated services including consultation, scheme design, and equipment integration. Whether it's large-scale ground-mounted centralized photovoltaic power plants, fishery photovoltaic complementary power plants, agricultural photovoltaic power plants, microgrids, off-grid distributed power plants for industrial and commercial use, or solar storage charging stations, we have extensive experience in new energy engineering. Nowadays, Juno Energy has become an important player in the global markets to support global zero-carbon development. We always insist on localization development because we understand that design is not merely theoretical, but about delivering solutions and services that surpass our clients' expectations. Simultaneously, we place great emphasis on product quality. Additionally, we have developed differentiated products tailored to different regions and countries. With a diverse product line, we actively cater to local markets, contributing to the local community's energy transition by providing high-quality design solutions and reliable product quality. We are Juno Energy, your valuable partner.